Stop. Let me see your hands.
Quit. Get his arms. Quit moving. Get his arms. Get his arms.
I'm not doing that. I'm not giving you anything. I didn't do anything, so I'm not giving you anything.
While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you're about to witness instant karma strike back with a vengeance. Let's dive into this intense encounter where Truman McCollum faces Killeen police, invoking his rights as the situation escalates into excessive force. On January 16, 2021, Killeen Police Department officers responded to a 911 call regarding a medical emergency at a Burger King drive-thru. Mr. Truman McCollum, aged 45, had reportedly rear-ended another vehicle and lost consciousness, causing his airbags to deploy. When officers arrived, they spoke with the other driver, who explained that his vehicle had been struck twice by Mr. McCollum's. Emergency responders, including a rescue team and an ambulance, were already at the scene. Officers then approached Mr. McCollum's car, where paramedics were trying to wake him for transfer onto a gurney. Bodycam footage captured Officer Plowick laughing and commenting on Mr. McCollum's disoriented state.
Is that blue truck involved?
Yeah, that's the truck that got hit. I told him to stay. See, I got it.
Hey, what's up, man? What happened?
I was first of all, I'm showing you that I got my weapon right there. I had all of my food. The young lady had just gave me my change. I'm sitting at the window, and all of a sudden, it seemed like the world just ended. He hit me, and my head hit this right here, and all this front end was flying everywhere, and he hit me again.
Okay.
That's the reason I thought it was some of this crazy stuff happening.
Got you. All right, so the blue truck was the one that got rear-ended from the back, and the Challenger was the vehicle that hit him. Copy, LP. I'm thinking that guy probably either drank something, not this guy, the one in the Challenger, because you got to be going really fast through this drive-through to be doing that shit.
Oh, so I'm guessing he pulled around and then parked over there.
Yeah.
Did you see what happened?
I saw him just like drive off.
It was he rear-ended the truck.
Hey, sir, look at me. You're gonna have to step out of the car. Can you get out of the car? Can you talk to me? Say something? Anything? Open your eyes.
You able to make contact with Burger King and review footage? All right. Hey, I'm thinking he's 1055.
I can if you want me to.
Huh?
Video.
Yeah, because they said they did.
Call him Truman. Cigar in the hot center.
Hey, sir, did anybody get your ID?
No, sir. You the guy I talked to earlier? Oh, okay, I didn't want you to, because
Not yet. So what's going to happen is,
I think I might have to go to the doctor. I first told him no, but I'm getting to feel some stuff.
all right, so what's going to happen is we're going to take a crash report, okay? So just get with your insurance company and let them know, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, can you have that ready for me, the insurance? Can you find it real
Well,
quick?
yeah.
While handling the situation, officers noticed some activity inside the ambulance and entered to investigate. Mr. McCollum, who had regained consciousness but appeared disoriented, was sitting upright. Reports suggest that his confusion was misinterpreted as non-compliance, leading officers to escalate the situation unnecessarily by using a taser.
Pull traffic. Stop.
Get your taser. There we go.
Stop. Stop. Let me see your hands.
Let's keep it.
Stop.
Stop. Stop. Turn around, quit. Face that way. Horrible spot. Get down, get down.
Which raised concerns under the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. Under 18 U.S. Code Section 242, this provision makes it a crime for someone acting under color of law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. It is not necessary that the offense be motivated by racial bias or by any other animus. Additionally, 42 U.S. Code Section 1983 provides an individual the right to sue state government employees and others acting under color of state law for civil rights violations. As the incident unfolded, Mr. McCollum was tased 6 times while asking officers to stop, despite showing clear signs of illness. Officers removed Mr. McCollum from the ambulance, searched him, and placed him in a patrol vehicle.
Still fighting. Quit! Get his arms! Quit moving! Get his arms! Get his arms! Watch that taser! Sarah, we need more units.
You gonna get it again? Let me see your hands!
Quit moving. Quit moving.
Hands are coming down. I don't want people to see.
Quit! Get the other hand! Get the other hand! I can't.
We're working on it. We'll drive slow.
It doesn't matter how it gets put on. Stop moving.
1 to 10, but she's still uncontrollable.
Hey, calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down.
That's Melinda's.
Quit! Get him out!
Calm
Get him out!
down.
I'm trying to bring you out. Quit! Watch his head! Watch his head!
Hey, quit flinging yourself around, okay?
Come on, man. Stand up. All right, come on.
Please, my hand,
Hey, Tom.
Hey, man, please,
Yeah, you're definitely under the influence of something.
please, man. I need no help, man. Hey, man. Okay, man, let me go, man. Stop. Oh, shit. Okay, man.
Hey, stop.
Stop.
Oh, man.
Listen, hey, listen.
Please, put me in, man.
We're not.
Please.
We're just trying to search you.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right, bring him in.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, use your legs. Cut out. Use your legs. Stand up. Stand up, sir.
Turn around. Let him go. You ready?
Please, let me go, man. Yeah.
You taste my
Okay, let me
fucking
get my step out.
You got me.
Okay, let me out.
I'm like, ah!
Oh, shit. So he's 95.
Yeah.
34, 31, he's 95. That's me.
Eventually, McCollum was ultimately charged with driving while intoxicated and resisting arrest.
I'm pretty sure he was under the influence of something, and I doubt we'll get a blood warrant done. So.
When I pulled up, he was just flailing his arms. The second time he hit me.
As an injury?
What? Because you cut your knuckle open?
Yeah.
So you need to come in as soon as possible so you can do your report, and also because you need to do the taser. So
The only issue I see with charging him with resisting is he was not, how you articulate, he was coherent enough to understand you were the police.
right.
Not.
What criminal offense do we have to arrest him? Because obviously he's already gone. Okay, so we came out here for an accident, and then we find out that there's a man who's possibly seizing, but we're not sure.
Under the influence.
Or under the influence. Basically, we may need to do SFSTs on him when we get in, if he is able to get into the judge.
Mission of this is DWI.
Yeah,
Yes.
if we
That's
do the
what the issue is
DWI,
right now.
right?
Yeah,
Who's going to do the blood warrant and take him over there or whatever?
that's why we got to figure out who's here to do DWI.
The Bell County Odyssey Portal criminal record search lists McCollum's 2 charges as misdemeanors. The Killeen Police Department confirmed that 2 of the 3 police officers named in the lawsuit are still working for the force. The department did not answer whether they launched an internal investigation following the incident. On Monday, 2 attorneys filed a civil lawsuit against the 3 police officers involved in this incident, as well as the city of Killeen. On December 25, 2022, officers stopped Mr. Johnson's vehicle. However, in this instance, the officer escalated the interaction by demanding identification from the passenger, Mr. Johnson, and attempting to open his door.
I know what's in here. What's your name and badge number?
Keenan, 3210.
Keenan,
Hey, do
3210?
you have a driver's ID? Do you have an ID on you, yes or no?
No, I don't.
Okay, step out.
You're not allowed to open this door either. Yeah, we'll reach into this car. That's my finger.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to reach into this car.
The officer's conduct raises concerns when he tries to justify removing Mr. Johnson from the vehicle, citing a seatbelt violation even though Mr. Johnson had removed it while parked.
I'm not fucking with you, and there's no reason for you to curse at me.
Listen, I asked for your ID. Do you
And
have
I
ID
said
on
I
you?
don't have ID, and I'm not giving you any, even if I did.
You don't have your seatbelt.
I don't have my seatbelt on because I took it off and I pulled this over. How you gonna
Look,
tell
there's
me?
no tint in this car. I can
There's
see.
no tent. I mean, I can't do this. I have to go up. He's pulling this over.
Under the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Additionally, under Terry v. Ohio principles, a police officer may stop a suspect on the street and frisk him or her without probable cause to arrest if the police officer has a reasonable suspicion that the person has committed, is committing, or is about to commit a crime and has a reasonable belief that the person may be armed and presently dangerous. The officer's refusal to call a supervisor, despite Mr. Johnson's request, further complicates the situation.
It's difficult. I'm making things extremely
Do you have
constitutional.
an ID, yes or no?
That's what I'm making.
What are you talking about, constitutional?
I'm making it
You're in a
constitutional.
vehicle.
And you
So,
trying to say just
right
because
off
you didn't
the
see me
bat-
with you didn't see me with a seatbelt on.
Right off the bat, that's enough to get your ID.
No, that's not enough to get me because I'm not driving the car.
Do you have
Go
ID
give me a
on
supervisor,
you?
please. Give me a supervisor, please.
No, we're not getting you a
Yes,
supervisor
you're
until
getting
we're
it. So
safe.
you're not asking me.
So if it,
Can I have a supervisor?
make sure it's safe for my supervisor.
okay,
and I don't
why
know
you
who
not-
you are.
well,
Do you have
stay
any
safe.
ID on you, yes or no?
Why?
Because I'm asking you.
No, I do not. Why am I stepping out of the car?
Because I'm asking you to step out of the car. Any weapons? Step out of the car. Put your hands up here.
According to U.S. Code Title 18, Section 242, this provision makes it a crime for someone acting under color of law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. As the situation escalated, the officer requested Mr. Johnson's fingerprints after he declined to provide ID, which Mr. Johnson contested. The officer then confirmed Mr. Johnson was under arrest and threatened arrest if Mr. Johnson continued to refuse identification.
Any weapons? Anything that could hurt me?
A nail possibly could hurt you. Maybe out of my short. Do I still have a knife on me?
I asked you several times. You don't want
And
to
what did
touch
I say? I haven't done anything illegal at all. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh no, I'll make sure. I'll make sure I'm recording all this.
You can record it.
Well, I ain't been going in my pocket. I'm gonna put them on my head. But so this is the bullshit you go through. We wasn't doing nothing. Trying to tell me I didn't have my seatbelt on, what you did. Please do not give them my name. Please do not give them my name, because my name is not going in no database just because y'all decide to pull somebody over for something. I'm not doing that. I'm not giving you anything. I didn't do anything, so I'm not giving you anything.
It's up to you. You can keep that on, or but I wanted to talk to you. I'm going to give you the opportunity. Are you going to keep that on?
Yeah, you damn right.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Well, then I'm going to explain it to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a fingerprint scanner brought.
And I'm not gonna give you my fingerprints either.
Okay.
You won't have none of those either.
Then
Won't
I'm
have
gonna
any.
have to take you in for that.
Okay, and you won't find
You
any
would
of
just
those.
give me your name. and
I'm
your
not giving you anything. You're violating my rights. Matter of fact,
Well, then maybe you should get
I
a
plead the
lawyer
fifth.
and you
No, I
can
don't
get
have to.
some,
I plead the fifth.
money.
3, 2,
Mr.
1, 0.
Dennis, you have. Would you like to provide your name and date of birth for me?
I told you I want to see a supervisor. I've said that
then
several
I'm
times.
not doing that
I
until
said.
get your ID.
So what? I'm not armed. So does that make me armed? You just frisked me.
You're right. So what do you?
Am I
what do you-
detained?
Yes.
Am I being
Yes,
detained?
under
Then I don't
doubt.
have nothing else to say.
So you're not.
I don't have nothing else to say.
So you're gonna make me take you all the way to 55th.
If you need to do that and whatnot, I'm going to sue you. I guarantee you that I'm going to sue you. You're not going to sit up here and violate my rights. You're not. I haven't done anything. I'm a passenger in the car just because you think you didn't see my seatbelt on and you didn't see me take it off. So I don't understand what the whole point of you pulling me and asking me for ID. You're not even allowed to do that. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm a passenger. You pull him over. I'm sitting on this side. So if he made a traffic infraction or if this car came up some kind of way messed up, which I'm sure it didn't because he's still in there, and he showed you all the necessary paperwork that's accompanied with this car, including his driver's license. So with that in mind, so he's free and clear. What does this traffic stop have to do with me now?
The situation eventually de-escalated after a supervisor arrived, allowing Mr. Johnson to leave without further issues.
I'm well versed in this shit. That's why I'm like, if you want to fuck with me about it, that's fine. I don't want to go to jail tonight. You're not going to do that. Yeah, and I said no. I'm not going to provide you with any identification whatsoever. There's no what reasonable, articulate suspicion do you have that I have committed a crime?
I have a question. How far did you go?
No. What reason? What is your rash? That I've committed a crime? That's what get me the ID. What is that, 4802? I did have my seatbelt on. You did not see it. I'm doing my job as a passenger. Now, are you going to get me a supervisor or what? I need a supervisor. So I ain't got no problem taking y'all qualified. You want to play with me, you pick the right one. I'm willing to do time. And we down the street from the police station, and my hands are cold. So if you ain't check me, can I put my hand in my hoodie pocket? My hands are cold. And you're not going to get no information from me to try to ID me either. And no, I don't have any warrants or anything like that. But that's not the point. It's all about principle at this point.
And I don't even understand right now. Like, if I was speeding, like, why wouldn't have you, like, if I was speeding all the way over there, which I wasn't, like, why wouldn't have you just pulled me over all the way back there?
Welcome to Cops Quiz. In today's video, we uncover a shocking incident where a corrupt cop goes to prison after a routine stop. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of how a lack of understanding of the law led to this dramatic outcome. If you care about your rights, hit that subscribe button and stay informed with us. Let's get it on. On June 2nd, 2023, Officer Mitchell from the Pellis County Sheriff's Office, while on patrol duty, noticed a white SUV speeding in the distance. In adherence to safety protocols, Officer Mitchell chose not to initiate a pursuit due to potential risks to public safety. However, her subsequent actions and decisions during the incident have raised significant concerns. Officer Mitchell claims to have identified the speeding driver, despite the distance maintaining surveillance until the driver reached their residence. In a way, a 22-year-old medical student was stopped near her home for speeding, prompting questions as to why Officer Mitchell delayed the traffic stop until the driver arrived home. This delay, particularly in a calm neighborhood, raises doubts about the legitimacy of the stop.
Hi. You know why I'm stopping you? I mean, no. You know what the speed limits are? Because I've been trying to catch up to you since Seminole Boulevard. So when you're on Seminole Boulevard, before you get to the triangle, then you go off to Madeira Beach, and then you go around, and then you made your right-hand turn here. When I go over the bridge you're talking about? Before that. So on Seminole Boulevard and 68th Avenue, you're doing 62 and a 45. And I don't even understand right now. Like, if I was speeding, like, why wouldn't have you, like, if I was speeding all the way over there, which I wasn't, like, why wouldn't have you just pulled me over all the way back there? I gotta call my dad. I'll talk to you later. No, I don't even understand. I've literally been home.
I've been pulled into my house. She said I was speeding all the way in something called Seminole Boulevard. I've never seen her car. She did not have her lights on.
Yep, because like I told you, I'm not going to drive reckless like you did in order to cut people off to get up to you. I maintain visual with you. I saw you make your right-hand turn. I see you right here. You're still in the car, so I conduct my traffic stop.
During the traffic stop, Officer Mitchell deviated from standard procedure by instructing the driver to stay in her vehicle, contrary to safety protocols. Additionally, Officer Mitchell's decision to instruct the driver to return to her car caused confusion. Tensions escalated when the driver exited her vehicle again, leading to Officer Mitchell using excessive force, including confiscating the driver's phone and forcibly restraining her. Despite the driver's compliance and lack of aggression, Officer Mitchell's actions were deemed unjustified. The driver adhered to instructions, and her confusion and inquiries during the encounter are considered normal behavior in such situations. Nevertheless, Officer Mitchell arrested the driver for obstruction, a charge that legal experts deem absurd in this context.
Okay, then have a seat back in the car so I can handle all of this.
Hey, so this officer just...
Have a seat in the car, please. I've asked you to do that 3 times now because this is a traffic stop.
I'm at my house.
I told you to sit in the car. Sit in the car, please. I've asked you multiple times.
I need a supervisor right now.
Sit in the car.
I'm not saying another word from you.
Put your hands behind your back.
He's detaining me right now.
Put your hands behind your back. Phone so it doesn't break.
My dad's literally... My dad is literally assistant with the PA. Do you want to do this? Stop. No, I'm gonna literally sue this idiot bitch! Did you wear body cam on the ground? Oh my god, I've never experienced this in my full life. Yo, you pulled your body camera off. Guess what? You should turn it on because you literally pulled your body camera off on top of... I requested a supervisor a minute ago. Over 10 minutes ago. Tell me your supervisor's name. What is your name and your badge number?
Deputy Mitchell will be on your citation and your arrest report.
Well, then if you would have complied, you wouldn't be in this position.
Furthermore, a subsequent search of the SUV based on the odor of marijuana was conducted during the traffic stop. However, recent court decisions in Florida and Maryland have highlighted that suspicion based solely on smell does not justify a search. The arrest of the driver and the subsequent search were criticized as unjust, as they potentially violated the Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures.
Your vehicle's being searched.
For what?
The odor of marijuana.
No, like, seriously.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I was in the process of getting one in New York, but, like, I haven't, like, been... Okay. My dad has one, and he's the one who usually drives that car, so I really don't even know why you're asking.
Yeah, that was on. That was in the back seat. So.
We're here?
The van's gonna come pick you up.
A van, like... Are there gonna be, like, other, like, criminals in there?
Potentially.
Stop!
This incident underscores the importance of adhering to legal protocols in law enforcement. Upholding standards such as probable cause and obtaining warrants is crucial to ensuring justice. Despite the unjust detention of the driver, the obstruction charge was eventually dismissed in court, highlighting the lack of merit in Officer Mitchell's actions.
Just relax.
How can I relax? On my record, I won't even if I can continue school, I can't even take the NCLEX. I can never even
For what?
work with
Why
it.
wouldn't you be able to take that?
Because if I have a misdemeanor or anything, they don't let me.
I know multiple people who are in the medical field who have felony charges.
Yeah.
All right, well, look it up. I swear to God, look it up online. You won't be able to take the NCLEX, the National Board Nursing Exam, if you have any skill.
I know, but fact of the matter being, these things generally don't go anywhere and they throw them out. Just relax, get through it. They'll release you in a couple hours. And more than likely, this will go away, all right?
On August 7th, 2023, a Barlow County Sheriff's Office officer, while on patrol duty, observed a car speeding at 70 mph in a 45 mph zone. The officer activated lights and sirens to pull over the vehicle, driven by Francesca Gutierrez. Despite initial resistance, Gutierrez complied. However, the encounter escalated due to the officer's confrontational approach, characterized by direct questioning. It's essential to recognize the lawful nature of traffic stops initiated by law enforcement officers, and in Albuquerque police can conduct stops, and state police officers or Bernalillo County deputies have jurisdiction within the county. The situation unfolded as a misunderstanding. Gutierrez claimed it was a prank misinterpreted by the deputy. According to Policy 576 billion of the New Mexico Department of Public Safety in U.S., Criminal law, the use of force must be objectively reasonable, which wasn't the case here. It was a poorly executed joke, not warranting the officer's actions. This incident exemplifies excessive force, defined as using more force than necessary. Officers can be held accountable for such actions, but the officer's jurisdiction was limited to detaining Gutierrez, not making an arrest, as clarified by the New Mexico Act in
Hello.
Hi.
Deputy O'Terrell at the Sheriff's Office. There's some news careless driving. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance on you? Why are we driving like that?
You're the one that turned around and started, like, coming behind me?
Yes, I am a cop with lights on and a siren. So yes, I did turn around and drive like that. Absolutely.
Actually, from the other side, and I was
Yep.
not driving fast.
You were doing 70 when I got you on radar. Where's the registration? Step
Get
out.
off
You just told me the car is stolen.
Dude,
Get out of the car.
It's a
Stop.
joke, so get off!
Despite complying with the officer's request for registration, Gutierrez was forcibly removed from the car under the mistaken belief she was reaching for a handgun. Subsequent dialogue between officers indicates the comment was a joke, nullifying suspicion of car theft, rendering her detention unjustifiable and her arrest unlawful.
Stop moving. Stop
Get
moving.
off of me.
You just
Get off of
two up
me.
there. So start moving. Step
Get
out. You
off
just
of
told me the car is stolen.
Dude,
Get out of the car.
It's a
Stop.
joke, so get off! What?
Separate your feet.
Just do it! Hurry up, you fucking piece of shit!
Have a seat.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna! Oh.
No. Said her ID. So I come up, I'm talking to her. First she's doing 70 on second. She sees me flip around, speeds up to 90. Weaving in and out of people. I stop her here. It's like whether I know it's a no, my cat's been all jacked up all day. Whether or not she's joking around or not, like
who says that? Why would you? Like, yeah, I'm just like committing a felony.
This car's registered to you?
Yeah!
So why did you say it was stolen?
Cause you're being rude right off the bat!
Well, that was not a smart decision.
Okay!
Despite verifying ownership, the officer continued to detain Gutierrez and shut off her phone without legal grounds. Her arrest sparked controversy as she resisted what appeared to be an unjust apprehension. Under New Mexico law and U.S. legal framework, citizens have rights against excessive force and unreasonable searches.
I was going to get him and I got pulled over by a cop and got in a fight with him because I told him the car was stolen, and then he started trying to break my arm.
And I'm gonna turn your phone off so you have battery, okay? So, is there anything out of the car that you want to take with you? No? You want everything to stay with the car?
Yeah, that's my car.
Okay. I was just making sure because I'm gonna take your phone.
Why are you gonna take me?
Because you resisted arrest after telling me your car was stolen. I told you to get out of the car. Had you have stepped out of the car and obeyed everything I told you to do, so you want your phone to stay in the car too?
Take it where?
To jail.
Why are you gonna take me?
Because you resisted arrest after telling me your car was stolen. I can talk to my supervisor and see if he's okay with me issuing a summons, but that's gonna be up to him. Okay?
The officer's attempts to gaslight Gutierrez and intimidate her into silence are concerning. He proceeded to file charges against her, including resisting arrest, despite the initial arrest being deemed unlawful. Gutierrez faces charges of reckless driving and resisting or obstructing an officer, highlighting the officer's evasion of accountability. Her trial is ongoing.
So they can ask me if this hurts or that hurts, but I'm telling you the same things. Yeah, my hands are numb, my back is hurting.
Is there anything else in your pockets? So we'll get these in there with you at the jail too, okay? Had you have not done all of that, it would have been a simple ticket and you would have been on your way. The only reason you have to go to jail is the resisting arrest charge. That's the only reason you have to go to jail. On the careless, you would have gotten a ticket and you'd have been on your way. Where it goes. All right, ma'am, come on out. So, as is everyone, nothing in your bra that you don't want to take in there?
We hope that the information and perspectives we shared in the video have shed light on and broadened your understanding of the situation of police corruption in the United States. Don't forget that each individual plays a crucial role in building a fairer and more transparent community. Please continue to spread this message by sharing the video with those around you, hitting the like button, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for participating with us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos on the Cops Quiz channel.